Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the keyboard sticker suggestion to show above keyboard or in predictive text area on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on General Management. Next, in here, you want to tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then go down and tap on Suggest Stickers while tapping. Tap on the left-hand side panel, and go down to the bottom, and tap on Sticker Suggestion Method. Now in here, you can choose Show in Predictive Text area, so this is what it looks like in the predictive text area, or you can show above the keyboard. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to your Samsung keyboard. Tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.